Our topic for today is classified triangles. This is lesson 16-2. You will find this lesson on page 827 up to page 830 from your book. Here are the learning objectives for today's lesson. You're going to classify triangles according to its sides and angles and solve mathematical practices and problem solving with speed and accuracy. Let's analyze this problem. Sort the triangles shown below in 2 or more groups and explain how you sorted them. Solve this problem any way you choose. So here you can construct arguments and use different ways of describing and classifying triangles. So you're going to show your work in this page above. So I will show you the work of these two students, Michael's work and Jaden's work. Michael traced the triangle and used information about the side lengths to sort them. So he said that the blue triangles, which is letter B and letter G, have 3 equal sides. It means all sides are equal. Okay? And the green triangles, he said that it have 2 equal length sides. So 2 equal length side. And the red triangles, no equal side. Okay? So this and this are equal. 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 So 2 equal length side. Those are the green one. And the red, no equal sides. So that is for Michael's work. For Jaden's work, he said that the blue triangles look like they have right angles. Okay, so this is right angle. It looks like having a right angle. Okay, it looks like having a right angle, and it looks like having a right angle. Okay, and the green triangles have 3 acute angles. So acute, acute, and acute, 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 and acute angles. And the red triangle has an obtuse angle. So this is an obtuse angle. So Jaden traced the triangles and used information about the angle measure to sort them. So as you can see, the first one for Michael's work, he used to identify the different kinds of triangle according to its sides, and the other one for Jaden's work, he identified or classified the triangles according to its angle. So those are the two classification of triangles that we're going to focus on. Classify triangles according to its sides and classify triangles according to its angle. Now, what are the triangles that can be classified, okay, according to its sides? So triangles can be classified by the line segment that make their sides. So the first one is we have what we call the equilateral triangle. So without the given measurement, if you see this symbol, okay, if you see these lines, 3 lines in all the sides, it means all sides are equal. So if we're going to make if I'm going to give a measurement, like for example, if this is 7, so this is 7 and this is 7. So all sides are equal. So even without the measurement, if you see that symbol, that is considered that all sides are equal. And if all sides are equal or having the same length, that is what we call equilateral triangle, from the word equal, root word equal. Next, isosceles. When we say isosceles triangle has at least 2 sides the same length, it means 2 sides are equal. So if you see this line, small line symbol, okay, and there are 2 line small symbols, it means that 2 lines are having the same length. Okay, so if 2 sides are equal, it means that is isosceles. Scalene, as you can see, there is no symbol of lines. It means that is having no sides the same length. Okay, so a scalene triangle has no sides the same length. To wrap up, triangles can be classified by the line segment, that make their sides. The first one is equilateral. It means all sides are equal. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Scalene means no sides have the same length. Okay, so it means it's different. So maybe this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. Here, maybe this is 8, this is 8, and this is 7. Okay, so two sides are equal isosceles, no sides are equal scalene, three sides are equal equilateral. Now, triangles also can be classified by their angle measure. So we have three angles, right? Always remember that when you add all the three angles, that is equivalent to 180 degrees, okay? So the first angle, the second angle, the third angle. The same thing here, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Now, how can you classify triangles according to their angle? If you see a triangle having one right angle, just like this one, there is one right angle, it means that is considered as a right triangle. Again, if you can see a triangle having one right angle, that is a right triangle. Acute triangle means all the angles are less than 90 degrees, or all angles, okay, are less than right angle. Okay, so this is acute angle, and acute angle. So your basis is the right angle. Okay, so if the open part of the angle becomes smaller than the right angle, it means that it's acute. So this is acute, and acute. So if all angles are acute, that is what we call acute triangle. Next is what we call an obtuse triangle. When we say obtuse triangle, it means it has one obtuse angle. Okay, so this is acute angle, but this is obtuse angle. So if there is one obtuse angle in a triangle, that is considered as obtuse triangle. Okay, again, to wrap up again, according to its angle, you can classify the triangle. If the triangle has one right angle, that is a right triangle. If a triangle has one obtuse angle, that is obtuse triangle. And if a triangle, if all angles are less than 90 degrees, or if all angles are acute, or if all angles are less than the right angle, that is what we call acute triangle. Okay? So triangles can also be classified by both their angle measure and their sides. So the red triangle is an obtuse scalene triangle. Why the red triangle is an obtuse scalene triangle? Let's find out. Obtuse according to its angle, okay, because there is one obtuse angle. According to its side, it is scalene because no sides are equal. Okay, that's why it is called obtuse scalene triangle. Okay, now let's continue. Sally classified a triangle as an obtuse acute triangle. Is this possible classification obtuse acute triangle? The answer is no. Why? Because a triangle cannot have three acute angles and one obtuse angle. Because if you're going to add all of that, it is more than 180 degrees. Or, in short, you can find out here that he can classify according to its angle both, obtuse and acute. That's why it is not possible. Okay? Next, number 2. Can a triangle have more than one right angle? If so, draw an example. So the answer is no. Why? Because a triangle can have at most only one right angle. Okay? Because it's not possible to have more than one right angle because right angle measures 90 degrees and there are three angles. So if that is more than two right angle, that is more than 180 degrees when you add them all. Question number 3 to 6. Classify each triangle by its side and by its angles. So the first one, two sides are equal. Okay, so if two sides are equal, that is isosceles according to its sides. And by its angles, there are three acute angles. It means that is acute triangle. So the answer is isosceles acute triangle. Next, question number 4. According to its sides, there are three sides equal or having the same length. So that is considered as equilateral triangle. And all angles are acute, so it means the answer is equilateral triangle according to its sides and acute triangle according to its angle. Another, look question number 5. There is no symbol of line on each side. It means no sides are equal. If no sides are equal, it means that is what we call scalene triangle according to its side. And according to its angle, there is one right angle there. So if there is one right angle, that is considered as a right triangle. So the answer is the scalene right triangle. Question number 6, the same. So no sides are equal. And according to its angle, there is one obtuse angle. So if there is one obtuse angle, it means that is what we call obtuse triangle. That's why this is scalene obtuse triangle. Okay, question number 7 to 15. Classify each triangle by its sides and then by its angles. So in question number 7, according to its sides or by its sides, okay, so no sides are equal, so that is what we call scalene. And according to its angle, there is one right angle, so that is what we call scalene right triangle. Number 8, no sides are equal, because there is no small line symbol on its sides, so that is also a scalene triangle. And according to its angle, there is one obtuse angle. It means that is scalene obtuse triangle. Question number 9, there are two sides equal. This and this are equal. It means that is what we call isosceles, because when we say isosceles, having two sides equal. And according to its angle, there is one right angle. That's why the answer is isosceles right triangle. Question number 10, two sides are equal. It's the same, that is isosceles, okay? And all angles are acute, so the answer is isosceles acute triangle. Question number 11, all sides are equal, having this symbol. So it means all sides are equal, that is equilateral triangle. And all angles are acute, that is less than the right angle, so the answer is equilateral acute triangle. And number 12, two sides are equal, so that is what we call isosceles, and there is one obtuse angle, it means the answer is isosceles obtuse triangle. Question number 13. Question number 13, sides are equal, this and this. It means that is isosceles triangle according to its sides. And there is one right angle, so that is right triangle. So the answer is isosceles right triangle. Question number 14, no sides are equal, so that is what we call scalene. But there is one right angle here, so that is scalene right triangle. And question number 15, two sides are equal, this and this, so that is what we call isosceles triangle. And there is one obtuse angle, that is what we call isosceles obtuse triangle. Now, let's proceed to mathematical practices and problem solving. Question number 16. If the backyard shown at the right is an equilateral triangle, what do you know about the length of other two sides that are not labeled? So we all know that when we say equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So if the first side is 45, of course this is also 45 and this is also 45 feet. So that is the answer. Number 17. A rabbit's field of vision is so wide that it can see predators that approach from behind. The diagram shows the field of vision of one rabbit. Classify the triangle by its sides and its angle. So you can see this red triangle, so two sides are equal. So if two sides are equal, that is what we call isosceles. And how about the angle? So all angles are acute. So the answer is isosceles and acute triangle. Question number 18. Can an obtuse triangle also be an equilateral triangle? The answer is no. Why? Because when you draw an obtuse angle with two equal sides, you cannot close the triangle with a third side that is the same length. Question number 19. Mitch draws a triangle with one obtuse angle. What are all the possible ways to classify the triangle by its angle measures and side lengths? Explain. The answer is scalene obtuse triangle or isosceles obtuse triangle. Why? Because the triangle has one obtuse angle but the side lengths are unknown. Question number 20. Draw each triangle in its correct angle classification. So, where is acute, where is obtuse triangle, and where is right? When we say acute triangle, all angles are acute. When we say obtuse triangle, there is one obtuse angle. When we say right triangle, it means there is one right angle. So the answers are acute triangle are B and F because all angles are acute. Obtuse triangle D and A because there is one obtuse angle. Right triangle is letter C or letters C and letter E because there is one right angle. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much and have a nice day.